In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix corrupted data on Assassin's Creed Valhalla. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Fixing corrupted data in Assassin's Creed Valhalla depends on your platform. So in this video, I am recording on my PC. However, you will be able to follow multiple different steps for PC, consoles such as PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, and Xbox One or Xbox Series S or X. I'm gonna talk about most of them, and I'm also going to show the PC specific ones. So first, of course, for general tips, always make frequent backups. And this is something that you should have done before the corrupted data happened. So if you have backups available, either automatic or manual, this is going to be the most convenient way to fix it. Go ahead, access your PlayStation Plus subscription, data management, go over to the cloud saves, do the same for Xbox, and see if you have a save available. And afterwards, just bring it up again when you go over to Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Now, alternatively, if you don't have backups available and you checked, the next thing to do if you are on PC is first go over to your Steam library or open your Ubisoft Connect library. Find Assassin's Creed Valhalla and you will be able to verify the integrity of the game files. On the Ubisoft launcher, you just have to click these three dots and then verify files. If you are on Steam, right-click Assassin's Creed Valhalla, go over to Properties, Installed Files, and verify integrity. You will notice that I am doing this process with Titanfall 2. I apologize, I don't have Assassin's Creed Valhalla at the moment on this account, but regardless, the process is the same. So verifying the integrity of the game files is going to make sure that all the game files are acquired if it detects that any of them are corrupted. To my knowledge, there isn't a similar function on consoles. So for consoles, the only valid option that you have, like I said, is to browse through previously made automatic saved data, so the backups made in the cloud. Besides this, there's not much else that you can do. I would suggest reinstalling the game as a last resort, but this could result in the loss of saved data. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix corrupted data on Assassin's Creed Valhalla. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.